Well, hello there. Today I will be preparing allergy tea with herbs. Let me tell you, every time I prepare this tea, I feel like the composer. I open up each jar of herbs and measure what's needed and blend together this harmonious symphony of flavors. Let's get started. We will be using elderberry, nettle, licorice root, peppermint, oregano, ginkgo, sage, turmeric, ginger, and lavender. Voila, the herbs. Let's get started. So first we're going to do a 4th teaspoon of elderberry. Elderberry, a sweet floral melody kissed by the sun, an antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals, reducing overall stress in the body. And I am going to go ahead and grind my elderberries. And I've already done so. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of nettle. Nettle, a taste that is simultaneously refreshing, a taste that will transport you to the heart of the forest. Refreshingly earthy, treats hay fever, and reduces inflammation. Then we have a 4th teaspoon of licorice root. Licorice root, a deep earthy undertone flavor with a rich comforting embrace to help relieve irritation and clears mucus. Then we have a 4th teaspoon of peppermint. Peppermint will help put a pep in your step with a cool minty breeze. A feel that rejuvenates and awakens and uplifts your spirit by relieving clogged sinuses and relieves headaches. I love the smell of peppermint. Next we have a 4th teaspoon of oregano. Oregano, a whisper of bold flavor, robust and filled with versatility and a warm charm to help remove toxins from the body. Then we have a 4th teaspoon of ginkgo. Ginkgo adds a grounding quality taste to evoke a sense of rootedness of a lasting strength, connecting you to nature by reducing asthma symptoms to help making breathing a breeze. Next, we're going to use a pinch of sage. Sage has a distinct herbal potency that packs concentrated wisdom of 1,000 leaves, offering a harmonious interplay of flavors as antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Next, we have an 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric adds an exotic spiciness that captivates all the senses with a warm, inviting experience by reducing swelling and irritation. Then we have a 4th teaspoon of ginger root. Ginger root carries a refreshing zing with a mist of heat that keeps your taste buds on their toes, with a touch of emerging sweetness with a lively overall twist to relieve congestion and increase circulation to the lungs. Last but not least, we have a 4th teaspoon of lavender. Lavender is my favorite. Lavender, a sense of tranquility that washes over you with a soothing, gentle embrace, which evokes relaxation with all the blends of flavors to help eliminate bacteria that can cause chest colds and congestion. Oh, I love the smell of lavender. So, we have all 10 herbs together. and we are on our way to creating this masterpiece to relieve your allergy symptoms. Now, I don't have allergies, but I enjoy this tea, and I drink it alongside them. So, just thought I'd throw that out there. So I like to use this glass teapot. It's a stovetop safe, and we get about 2 12-ounce cups apiece. Or if he just needs it, his allergy tea by himself, then I would just need to use the stainless steel tea ball. I just put the herbs in the basket, kind of let that steep in his cup for 5-10 minutes, let it cool down. Then put it on that little drip tray, and there you have it. But for this demonstration purposes, we are going to do the kettle. All right, let's get started. So we're just going to go ahead and start putting the herbs in, and the hot water is almost done off the stove top. I like to pour the hot water on top of the herbs and kind of let it steep for 15 minutes. All right. So I like to stir it in so that all the herbs are getting nice and hot. Then I put the lid on and let it steep for about 15 minutes. Please enjoy this masterpiece hot and ready to serve. Enjoy the blended herbs from the world we call Earth. If this is your first time visiting our channel, think about subscribing. If you liked today's video, give us thumbs up and feel free to leave comments. Thank you for watching.